Because we got, where's the bug house on there?
This is the bug house.
Right, no, I mean on here. So.
Are we leaving?
No.
Oh, there's the bug house. So now we gotta come through over to this side to get through all this stuff to then go through here to get out.
Okay, got you.
Can we get refills first?
Yes.
No?
One says yes and one says no. The refills are that way, right? Okay.
To the right.
Refill. Oh, right. Left.
You know you like
Apparently, icy stop number 2. Be right back after this commercial break. Right up there.
I want to adopt one. There's one right here too.
for one of our projects for science.
Aww. Right? Definitely like a stuffed animal.
I hear one stuffed animal.
No, I really want one. Dad, will you adopt that and then the fox too?
Oh. We got around here.
You would adopt anything, would you?
To an extent.
Map.
Map.
Yo, where's the map?
Hey, what's that over there?
Where are you guys? Where? Right here. I haven't seen this past 5 minutes. So where's the...
What's that with that?
Since we were here, we have to like go.
So we gotta go.
No, vamos a hacer.
So that side should be the American alligator.
Yeah.
Yeah, but that's, we can hit that back on the way out. So we go this way.
Alright.
Yeah. Because it like loops around back to that for the way out. Critter crossing.
Like then on the way to Texas, we like see a dead armadillo.
Yep. Roadkill.
But still, the golf cart over there.
See how many of y'all we can pile on the back of it?
Yep. I'll get on
I
top.
said we could fit all of us. Yeah.
South America's Pantanal. Starting to the left, to the left. Black and gold howler monkey, golden lion tamarin, red rumped gourd. What all we got?
Oh, there it is. It's over here. That's not a monkey, but it's a...
That's the red-tailed thing.
There one is right there. Is it?
Got it up there. Monkey. It is kind of weird. It really does resemble gas. Oh, and there's the other one up there.
Oh yeah. Oh, I like that one. This is something.
What's up in here?
I don't know. Otters. Otters? Look, in the corner. Right now, he's slipped down.
I like the baby ones. They're smaller.
There's more in the water.
Huh? They're not in the water.
I'll be in the water.
I would too. Babe, we need that fin in the house. Stop. Anaconda.
There's like a good view right there. In this tunnel.
Yeah, but that's only if it's in the water. It's probably back there. Or over in the corner.
What is this? A snake?
Oh wait, no, actually it's right here. It's hiding right here.
Oh, I didn't even see it.
So that means his head, yeah. Because they can't stay under forever. His nose is right here. We had one of those at one point. Green anaconda.
Daddy, look over there. There are children over there.
Yep. Crawling through there.
Yeah, it's good.
Got some big old fish over here. Whoa. Dude, can I have that for dinner?
Holy moly!
Stingray. I hit my head on the thing. That's a huge one.
He just said, can I have dinner?
Yeah, I did. That's a hell of a meal. Don't judge me, people. Don't judge me. What we got up in here? Oh, an emerald tree boa. We had one of those. Yep. I had one that used to like, it would bite everybody else, but it would lay on my neck. Poison dart frogs. There's some there. Up here. Alright. Another section down. Dude, you're sitting on an armadillo.
I didn't take the picture. You ready? Okay.
Now next.
I'm taking all pictures with all the animals.
Right.
Now.
You got it, buddy. Dayami, there's no shade over there.
Dude, that's a fake Texas shade. More of the otter.
Yeah. They have a big spot.
Otters are adorable.
You know, it's funny, it's like when they're not so hot, they'll just slide. Remember what came before? It was just sliding on the water slide.
We got all kinds of animals in the house.
Dude, our house is full of animals.
She's a red panda over otter.
Don't look at us.
A birdie. A macaw.
Blue-throated macaw.
Yeah.
Like me that.
Girl, say guacamole.
Anybody see it hiding?
It's in Spanish.
It's also supposed to be a blue-billed corozo. I don't see anything up in here.
Probably back there.
Well, that's no fun. What we got? Jaguar. Where's it hiding? Not in the water today? Probably up in the corner. You got it, Bubba?
Where did it go? He said he's seen it in the bushes.
He thought.
No.
He didn't say for sure. He just said he thought.
I saw its tail.
There ain't no telling the way those bushes are grown up. They could be anywhere in there. Yeesh. They're just like running ahead without us. So in here we supposedly have a giant anteater, capybara, and Bard's tapir. All up in here. I see a whole bunch of, that's not what's in there.
Those animals are over there.
Let's see. Another chance at your jaguar, Bubba. You see it? You see it? You see it? It's hiding. It's hiding good, and
It might
it found a nice, good, quiet spot, and it's hiding.
Might jump out up on somebody. What if it's flying?
Oh, look at the fake gator.
Is that fake?
Yeah, that's fake. There's too much algae on it to be real.
I didn't see it.
Big. Oh, look, there he is. He's laying down.
Oh, that's it right there. Are those ears?
Yeah.
Yeah, oh, okay. I was looking at that. I wasn't sure what that was.
Aw. Do you see it, Daddy? Oh, the duckies.
See it, Emma?
Yeah.
Mm.
I say
And
they're
there's
probably
one.
under there.
So now we're
Whoop. They're all up this. They all left us.
How many steps do you think you've gotten today?
More than what's on my watch because I started my watch late.
Oh.
My phone might actually have an accurate record though, because it automatically keeps up.
They keep just...
Here, let's go in here. They're up that way, I think, or in here. It looks like a shade. They're probably in here.
I called you 5 minutes ago. You have to tell me if you're in here. I love it.
No.
There's supposed to be a flamingo.
All right, we'll try this side of it. Maybe we'll be able to see it over here. Oh, I don't see nothing either. What do we got up in here?
They're not flamingos. One is Daddy, flamingos.
No, it's not. Ain't no flamingo, child. Those are ibises.
Dang it.
Come on.
Where are they?
Well, they'll stop eventually.
Which way do we go?
I should have went that way.
Where's this closest place where it
Never needed it.
having to read the Scarlet Ibis? I don't know.
Yeah, we should know. Where are we going?
You going in there, baby?
Where? Why do you guys keep running from us?
And at the lorikeets or whatever that's in there? You going in?
You can go. I'm not going there. Burst
Okay.
scoop.
Let's go.
Oh, lordy. Come on, children who aren't afraid. Go, go, go.
I'm being
You
nice.
can't just always hold it open.
Okay, I'm being nice.
Go. I know, but when the other one's getting opened, it can't be opened. Go, go, go.
Yeah, they can, but they can fly. They're over there on the side. See that?
What?
They're over there.
They're right over here.
What?
The bird.
No, they're all over the place.
Here. Yeah, right there.
Yeah.
Aww. Those
Look.
two are eating.
Right here. Look at that one coming over like, ooh, who are these people?
It's got something on its foot.
Junior, hold your cup back. Oh.
Did you see that gold thing on his foot?
Yeah, it's got a band on it. It's an identification band.
Oh.
So if somehow it were ever to actually get out
They could know what it was.
and it got caught, it could be able to be traced back to where it came from.